Hey, what's up? Today I'm finishing the review of a Doogee S68 Pro. You can already watch unboxing, performance test and battery test by the links in description. In this video we will talk about camera. Hit the like button and let's start camera test. Doogee S68 Pro has a triple camera on the back, 21 megapixels main sensor Sony IMX230, 8 megapixels telephoto lens and 8 megapixels wide-angle lens. The front camera is 16 megapixels. If we look at Antutu or any other benchmark, we can see all the sensors. That means all the sensors are not fake. By the way, the smartphone also has a dual flash on the back. Talking about camera up, there are standard shooting modes such as bokeh, video, photo, face beauty, and wide angle. You can also use different effects, for example, night, time-lapse, slow motion, etc. The settings menu has following options: sound, grid, location, timer, and others. The maximum photos resolution is 21 megapixels. The video settings menu has stabilization function. The maximum video resolution is Full HD. Okay, now let's look at the photos I took in my city. By the way, do you like the architecture of my city? Write in comments below. I took images day and night, ultra-wide, 5x zoom and bokeh. In general, I like photos on the main camera. However, wide-angle images are very bad because they are blurry. Also, I don't like bokeh pictures. Actually, the smartphone doesn't have a depth effect sensor, so the portrait photos are quite weak. But the photos at night are pretty good. You can do some good images in the low light conditions on Doogee S68 Pro. As for the video recording, the stabilization is okay, but the focus jumps. I don't know the reason, but I don't like it. I want to recall the price of a Doogee S68 Pro and then draw the conclusion about the camera. The price is only $199. I think that Doogee S68 Pro has a good camera for budget rugged smartphone. All the sensors are real, that's very good. However, ultra-wide sensor has low resolution, so the photos are blurry. In general, you can take nice images on this phone. What do you think? Do you like camera of Doogee S68 Pro? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.